Okay, let us start. Yesterday we have studied few part of grammar. Now we are going to study about the next topic. It is sentence. Sentence. It is most important in our grammar. Sentence, we know it is classified as four. What is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. That means a meaningful sentence is called a sentence. When we speak or when we write, we use lot of words. These all words cannot called as sentence. When this all the words we join together as a meaningful, that part of the words are called sentence. So sentence, it is a group of word. That means a meaningful group of word is called sentence. Sentences are four types. First type of sentence is declarative sentence. Declarative sentence, or we call it as assertive. Second kind of sentence is, we know that it's an interrogative sentence. Third type of sentence is imperative sentence. And fourth kind of sentence is called exclamatory sentence. These are four kind of sentences. Sentences means it's a group of words which make complete sense. So complete meaningful words are called sentences. These sentences are divided into four types. The first group of the sentence is called declarative sentence or assertive sentence. Second type is called interrogative sentence. Third part is imperative sentence, and fourth one is called exclamatory sentence. Now we are going to study the different kinds of sentences. What are the functions of these four type of sentence? These four kind of sentences have different meaning, and it has been used as in a different way. We know that we daily use lot of sentences in our daily life. Some sentences are a question, some sentences are our feeling, some sentences are command, some are in normally what we speak in our life. So different type of sentence we use, we write, we speak in our daily life. Now that will be classified into these four types. Now let us go to what is a declarative sentence. Declarative sentence is nothing but a sentence that makes statement or assertion is called declarative sentence. That we can clearly understand. A declarative sentence is statement or assertion. Declarative sentence is a statement. Example, this statement is almost start with the subject. After verb or helping verb and sentence or word. This is we known as declarative sentence or statement. Just example, we can easily say that I am a boy. It's a statement by a subject talking about himself. So it is a sentence. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4 words. These 4 words together we are in a meaningful sentence or complete meaning. It is called statement. The same sentence we can say that all the assertive sentence or declarative sentence start in capital letter. This is the first rule of declarative sentence. A declarative sentence must start in capital letter. So we can say that every declarative sentence starts in a subject after either verb or helping verb, or after next element is word. So this is a meaningful word. It is called declarative sentence. Next, he is singing a song. He is singing a song. It is also a declarative sentence or assertive sentence. Here we can see he is subject. He is used as here helping verb, be form of sentence. And singing is a verb and a song is object. So here we can see nearly 1, 2, 3, 4 type of 4 verses are given here. These 4 verses together we make it as a complete meaningful word. It's called sentence. So such type of sentences are called declarative sentence. Declarative sentence almost used to declare, state or assert something about a subject, and it almost every time begins the sentence with a capital letter and end in full stop. This is the clear evidence to identify what is declarative sentence. So we go for the next sentence. It is interrogative sentence. So day-to-day life we use lot of sentence in our life. Most of the time we use interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, it is meaning asking question. The sentence which show a question is called interrogative sentence. So when we come to interrogative sentence is divided into 2 types. The first part is we can ask question in WH or H word. The question begins in WH or H. Second, we can identify as yes or no question. These are the 2 types of interrogative sentence. Let me explain you. If you want to ask to someone to something, we mostly use interrogative word. So let me say, what is WH word? The word begins with WH, like what, why, when, where, who, which, how many, how much. So these words are known as WH word. Mostly we use this sentence asking as a question. That is interrogative sentence. Example, I will explain what is the example. What is your name? What is your name? Question mark. Look here. This sentence starts with WH word, after helping verb, subject, and a sentence. A group of words which may complete meaning is called sentence, that we already studied. And here the sentence start with a WH word and end in question mark. This type of sentence is called interrogative sentence. If you ask, where are you going? Question mark. The word start with WH word and end in full stop. Is it interrogative sentence? The first type of interrogative sentence is WH word. The second part of interrogative sentence is known as yes or no question. Yes or no question, it is if we ask question, what is your name? Our answer must be in a long process of sentence. It is called my name is Ravi. My name is Ravi. This is the answer of the question, what is your name? But when we come to yes or no question, answer never be in a such format. It will be either yes or no. So yes or no question always start with helping verb. Yes or no question starting by helping verb. Helping verb ask is, are, was, were. These are the forms. Next, has, have, had. Next one, can, could, will, shall, do, does, did. These words are called helping verb and modal auxiliary. Auxiliary verb plus helping verb. If a sentence begins with any of these helping verb, whichever we find here, it is known as yes or no question. Yes or no question is asked as confirmation of a word. Suppose we can ask it, are you going? Are you going? Here, when we ask the question, are you going? We wanted to get a clear confirmation about whether the person is going or not. So here we can understand if a person asks, are you going? The sentence starts with are. Are comes under helping verb, present helping verb. So question, are you going? Our answer is either yes, otherwise no. If you are not going, no. If you are going, yes. Next question, we can ask it about did you finish your work? Question mark. So here sentence start begins did. Did comes as a helping verb. So we know that our answer is either yes or no. So these are the two type of the interrogative sentence. First one is WH question that we already studied. What, where, why, when, which, where, how much, how many. Second part is called yes or no question. So yes or no question can be begins with helping verb, direct helping verb, and with the help of the helping verb and the question mark, it will be asked as a question. And these two type of sentence is known as interrogative sentence. Now let us go for a few examples. How can we form declarative sentence and interrogative sentence? Declarative and interrogative sentence. Okay, now we already said declarative sentence is a statement. Statement either it can be present tense, past tense or future tense. Declarative sentence should be start with the subject, and with a capital letter and end in full stop. This is the rule of our declarative sentence. Interrogative sentence we can start with WH word or helping verb and in question mark. So these are the model of declarative sentence and interrogative sentence. The third one we are going to learn about imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is asking question. Imperative sentence is command, request, order, command, suggestion, etc. These are imperative sentences. Imperative sentence, command, request, order, suggestion, prayer. This all comes under imperative sentence. So imperative sentence, if you wanted to order a person, if you wanted to request a person, if you wanted to command a person, if you wanted to suggest a person, we use one sentence. The sentence is called imperative sentence. Imperative. Imperative. So imperative sentence is request, it is order, it is command, it is suggestion. Now let us see how can we form imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, here don't make sound. Don't make sound. This is request. We can understand it is an order, either it is command. Close the door. This also we can use as order or command. Please give your book. It is request. Such type of sentences are called imperative sentence. Look here. We already learned that imperative sentence is command, request, suggestion, advice and order. Now look here. If you wanted to suggest somebody, if you wanted to ask a person to get a glass of water, we can use please bring me a glass of water. Here, please bring me a glass of water. This is not an order. The sentence starts with please. Please or kindly. Please or kindly. Now, if you wanted to ask a person to shut something, close your book.